Join me as I dive into the world of tiny wonders and see if I can uncover some mind-blowing details with this 500x portable digital microscope for kids. I've got to say, I was really excited to get my hands on this microscope, and I think it's an amazing tool for kids to explore science in the tiny details of their environment. It's all about sparking their curiosity and making learning fun. Kids often struggle to engage with science, and learning about the microscopic world can be tough without the right tools. I mean, think about it, they're usually stuck looking at tiny pictures in a textbook or watching videos on a screen. It's just not the same as being able to explore and discover for themselves. When kids don't have hands-on experiences, they can easily get bored or lose interest. And that's a shame, because science is all around us, just waiting to be discovered. But sometimes, we just need a little help to get started. One of the biggest challenges is making science accessible and fun. That's where tools like this microscope come in. They make it easy for kids to start exploring and learning right away. And who knows, maybe we'll even inspire the next generation of scientists. The 500x portable digital microscope is a game changer. With its incredible magnification capabilities, kids can zoom in on tiny details and really see the world in a whole new way. Plus, it's super portable, so they can take it with them wherever they go. This microscope also connects to devices like tablets or smartphones, making it easy to view and share their discoveries. And with its user-friendly interface, kids can start using it right away, without needing any complicated instructions. The microscope comes with a built-in LED light, which helps illuminate the sample and bring out the details. And with its adjustable focus, kids can get a really clear picture of what they're looking at. I've seen some amazing things under this microscope already, like the intricate details on a leaf or the tiny hairs on a flower. It's incredible how much detail you can see, and it's really captivating for kids. Kids are naturally curious, and when they get to explore with this microscope, their eyes light up with wonder. I mean, who wouldn't be amazed by the tiny world that's been hiding in plain sight? The benefits of this microscope go beyond just learning about science. It's also a great way to encourage kids to ask questions and think critically. By exploring and discovering for themselves, they're developing important skills that will serve them well in all areas of life. So, if you're looking for a fun and educational tool that will spark your child's interest in science, I highly recommend checking out the 500x portable digital microscope. If you've got a favorite microscope experience or a story about a kid who's been inspired by science, leave a comment below and let me know. And if you're looking for more reviews of educational toys, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be reviewing some more cool tools for kids.